Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is Unseen Comprehension 2, questions number and paragraphs. I repeat, it is Unseen Comprehension 2 and questions plus paragraphs. Dear students, look here. This is our lecture number 13 and SW number 12 on our annual term syllabus. I repeat, this is our lecture number 13 and SW number 12 on our annual term syllabus. My dear students of class 2, in our previous class we learned Unseen Comprehension to fill in the blanks. Today inshallah we will start Unseen Comprehension to questions answer and 2 paragraphs. So let's start our class. Answer of the following questions. Number A, what was the name of the small boy? Look, what was the name of the small boy? Answer, the name of the small boy was Baijit. So look, the name of the small boy was Baijit. Yesterday you learned from our comprehension number 2. Now question number B, how was Baijit's mother? Look, how was Baijit's mother? Answer, Baijit's mother was ill. I told you yesterday the meaning of the ill is sick. The meaning of the ill is sick. That means Baijit's mother was sick. Number C, where did Baijit go for water? Look, where did Baijit go for water? So answer, Baijit went to stream to get water. So one little correction there, students, there will be no S, okay? There will be no S, you don't follow this one. Where did Baijit go for water? Okay, answer is Baijit went to the stream to get water. Yesterday I told you the meaning of stream. Stream means small river or fountain. Now question number D, what did Baijit's mother give him? Answer, Baijit's mother gave him blessing that made him a great saint later. So look here, yesterday I told you the meaning of saint is religious person or very much honest person. I am telling again the answer, Baijit's mother gave him blessings that made him a great saint later. Okay, last question answer, it is what did Baijit do the whole night? Look, what did Baijit do the whole night? Answer, Baijit stood with the glass of water in his hand for the whole night. So, okay, question number, with this question number E, we have finished our 1 to 5 questions. That means A, B, C, D, E. Now, I will go to next page. So, dear students, we will go to next page. It is answer the following paragraphs. We have 2 paragraphs. So number 1 is my favorite teacher. Look at the title. Whenever you will write the paragraph, at first you will write the title, then you must underline it. Nobody will forget to underline the paragraph. So look what I have written here. It is my favorite teacher, then underlined. Answer. Teachers are the architect of a nation. So look here, teachers are the architect of a nation. That means teachers are the builders of a nation. They contribute, they help a lot in making an educated nation. Like others, I have a favorite teacher. His or her name is, you will write your favorite teacher's name. I am telling, in the gap you will write your favorite teacher's name. Okay, it will be male or female. You have a choice. His or her name is, he or she is our dash teacher. Okay, you will write the name of the teacher, then the subject of the teacher. Is she or is your English teacher, Bangla teacher, math science teacher, etc. etc. Okay, you have a choice here. He or she always tries to make the lesson interesting. So look at this point. That means your teacher, your favorite teacher always tries to make the lesson interesting and easy to understand. He or she is very sincere and dedicated towards the students. He or she always advises us to be a good person. So look, he or she takes great care of us. he or she is really ideal teacher. Look at the sentence, is really ideal teacher, we like him or her very much. Dear students, in the paragraph you will see two persons names. So look here, two pronouns, or for example his or her, you will write anyone. Okay, here you will write her or name also, but you can select his also, but you will write anyone, not both. Okay, now okay, we will read our next paragraph. It is tiger. What is it? The name of the second paragraph is tiger. So look, in this connection I want to show you a picture. So look at the picture so that attention grows among you. Look at the picture of a tiger. I hope all of you can see this picture. Okay, now we will start. The tiger is the most ferocious wild animal in the world. So look here, the tiger is the most ferocious, that means most cruelest, okay, most cruel wild animal in the world. It has strong teeth. It has strong teeth, sharp claws. So look here. So in this connection, look at the picture, sharp claws and sharp paws also. So look, and in its powerful paws and a long tail. So look at the tail. Okay, the tail is long. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of Bangladesh. There are black stripes. So look, black stripes. So look, you can see easily. Okay, look here, black stripes. So look, black stripes on its yellow body. They are found in the Sundarbans in Bangladesh. Tigers sleep by day and hunt at night. So look here, here it is seen the tigers sleep at day and hunt at night. This is why it is called a nocturnal animal. So look at the word, it is nocturnal animals. That means which animals are found at night. They are called nocturnal animals. They are called nocturnal animals. The tiger is the symbol of power and bravery. So look at the last sentence. The tiger is the symbol of power and bravery. Okay, that means with this paragraph we have finished our two paragraphs. Number one, my favorite teacher. Number two, tiger. Dear students, look at the end of our board. Here it is written homework. Homework number 12 and paragraph my favorite teacher. What is written here? Your SW number 12 and your SW is my favorite teacher. Okay, here my favorite teacher, and you will write this one in your SW. My dear students, I hope all of you have enjoyed this class. With this class, we have finished our English literature 100 marks annual term syllabus. Okay, and I am telling you very much freely and frankly, if anybody has any query our English literature class, please write me in the comment box. Nobody will feel hesitate to write me in the comment box. So look here, I have given my phone number and messenger, or so look here, Facebook ID. Okay, and I am telling you again, nobody will feel hesitate to write me in the comment box. If you have any query, please write me. Inshallah, I will give the answer of each and every of your questions. Finally, do your homework and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.